I've been trying to make meager gains by trading meme coins. And you know what? Every time I got rug pulled, I was sick to my stomach. But as you can see, I've been pulling 6 figures using this new strategy. Instead of trading the coins, I'm creating them. Stick around and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. If you're still here, that means you are serious about making some damn good money, okay? So, first things first, I want to talk about a few things to do with this market. I might be teaching you to suck eggs, and you may already know this, but most of these coins function the same way. I could pick any one, and we'll see a very similar story, okay? Let's take the Israel coin right here. Now, let's look at it across even just a minute, all right? So look at this, high peaks, and then it trains straight down. There we go. If I was a trader, I'd want to dump here, but if I do anywhere along here, chances are I'm going to lose my money, okay? And then the rug pull happens right at the end. Let's pick any other coin. GPM, let's go. This is a perfect example. Okay, so massive high peak, but then that huge crash, and that crash is where the creator is actually making the money. That's where they're pulling the liquidity. That's where they're making suckers out of all of the traders, and we want to put ourselves in that position. Let's go for a third one, just for the hell of it. Look at this. This is a perfect example right here. The liquidity has been pulled straight away. If you're a trader, you've got no chance, absolutely no chance to make some money. This is the weapon we're going to use. This is createcoin.fun. Okay, this website, no coding is required to launch your own coins. All you've got to do is you've got to press a few buttons. It's as simple as that. I'm no coding genius, and I can use this just fine. But before I show you this process, there's a couple of things that I want to go through, okay? One of the sort of unique selling points of createcoin.fun is the market that it puts your coin on. Take a look at these. These are all on pump. Now, there's a few of them that are peaking a little bit, some in the 50Ks, some in the 80Ks, but not really a great market. It's too full. However, let's switch my filters over and let's look at the Metora data, okay? The Metora market is much better, and that's what we launch on. Look at these numbers, even the lower ends, it's more like the 30Ks instead of the 0.2s and things like that. 1.4 million on this user coin. That is an insane market cap. There's so much potential here, and that potential is what we are going to exploit, okay? Because we have got so much more room to breathe. There are so many less coins. People can actually find what we're trying to sell, and that's the point. Now, back to Create Coin, okay? This is where we can create our coin. First things first, we have got to connect the Phantom wallet. It's as easy as pushing these 2 buttons. Green button, Phantom wallet, done. We are connected, ready to go. Now, looky here. I've got about $100 in the wallet. I recommend this amount of money to get things going. Okay, so normally you could sit here and you could put in the name of your coin, whatever you want to do. Let's just call it name. Doesn't really matter. You can put in your token symbol. Doesn't really matter. Again, this is not what we're going to do because it takes time. It takes ages to do all the marketing. You've got to run the gauntlet. You don't know if it's going to be successful. So how do we confirm that we are doing the right thing? Let's look at the copy trending tab. This is where we are going to make our money. Okay, now what this does is it looks at Dex Screener and it finds the coins that are already trending. The marketing's already happened. The hype is already there. We're going to hop straight on it. Okay, you got some like this NASA coin's not doing amazing, but let's have a look. We can take any coin that we like the look of. Let's see, Magic Turbo, maybe. That NASA coin again has gone up, but it's not quite what we want. We're going to pick the Magic Turbo Rocket. Okay, that's the one we're going to pick. We click one button, boom. Our coin is copied. This red warning will come up from your wallet. This is perfectly normal. It's all part of the process. Just simply click to proceed, then click confirm, and then you will need to tick a box right here, and then you will click confirm again. Okay, and just like that, we have copied a coin. Now, we need to create a liquidity pool. So that's the first thing we're going to do. And this is where we're going to put our money where our mouth is, and that's the starting point. Okay, so the only thing we really need to change is the amount of SOL. I'd recommend 0.2 SOL. That's probably what I would do. 0.2 SOL is a good metric to start with, okay? And that's all you need. You can go a little higher if you want, but we're just going to create the pool there. That's what we're going to do. And just like that, we need to confirm the transaction as normal. And then once we've done that, we will have a coin. There it is. See it at the bottom there. So these are our rough estimations here. So we can see our market cap right there, or our estimated value. Okay, we're currently at $16.14. We've got the 0.2 pooled sol. That's just our sol there. Now, take a look at this button here, this little lightning button. This is the boost function. We will boost our token with this function. This is the secret sauce. Cost 0.25 sol, but I promise you, you are going to make that money back and then some. So let's take a look. All right, so we confirm another transaction. Now, our coin will be rocketed up the DEX screener charts. Everyone's going to be able to see it. The bots will see it first. The people will see it first. People are going to buy our coin, okay? So let's go on to DEX screener and let's have a look. All right, now, again, I've only just launched... Whoa, okay. I've only just launched the coin and we already have some trade. This is excellent news. Okay, fantastic. Let's have a look at some of our figures here. Our volume's gone up already. Our market cap is going up already. Look at that. All right, we're at 1.9k on the market cap. Straight away, we have got buys flooding in. A few sells, but that doesn't really matter because the buys are going up all the time. Market cap at 2k already. Market cap at 3.1k. I've only ran this for not much. Like, you guys, you're seeing this just as I am seeing this, okay? We are flicking through the timeline here, and this market cap is just going up and up and up. And all of that pooled sol is going to come in, and that's just going to be nice, tidy, clean profit for us. 5k on the market cap. This is coming up like crazy. This is wonderful, guys. How amazing is this? And like I said, this is the way you make the money. I'm not going to run this for very long, but I promise you, we will have a ton of money after this. Okay, so you've ran your coin for a while, and now it's time to remove the liquidity. It's our turn to do the rug pull. Okay, this is where we're going to make all that money. All those people that are pulling that sol in, look at this estimated value. Okay, 1k of clean profit. Look at the pooled sol, 12.5. Remember, we started with 0.2. That's incredible. Hit this minus button. Hit 100%. Remove the liquidity. Okay, that's what helps us make the money. All that sol that's been pulled into our coin, we're going to pull it straight back out to our pockets. Confirm the transaction. There will never be an easier decision in your life than to push confirm on this transaction right here. Now, that will take all that money out of the coin and put it straight in our pockets. Let's have a look at the Phantom wallet. Started at 100, 1,100. Can you believe that? We have 10x'd our Phantom wallet. Now, for those of you who subscribe, like, and leave a good comment, I will give away half of these winnings, $500 to one lucky winner. Try this method